Nikhil Paili, the president of the Youth Congress Mandalam Committee, has admitted to stabbing and killing SFI worker Dheeraj Rajendran in Idukki Government Engineering College on Monday. He confessed to stabbing Dheeraj to the police. 6 more people have been arrested and are being questioned by police in connection with the investigation. All 6 of them are KSU workers according to reports. Nikhil Paili was apprehended by the police while attempting to flee in a bus from Karimanal in Idukki. After he departed the crime scene, police launched a thorough investigation focused on his cell phone location. However, the state police chief informed that it is difficult to confirm whether it was an orchestrated murder or not. A detailed probe is going on in the case. The chief also confirmed that it is suspected that Nikhil Paili is a kingpin behind the murder and it must be investigated whether others were also part of it. The state police chief also refuted the claim that the police vehicle was not provided to transport Dheeraj to the hospital after he was hurt. He stated that he had no idea who made the claim and that the students were silent when he approached them. As part of the college union election, police officers were present on campus, according to the SP. Dheeraj Rajendran, a Kannur native, was stabbed to death at Government College in Painavu on Monday. Dheeraj was a 7th semester BTech computer science student. He was killed, according to accounts, during a scuffle between the two parties during the college union election. It's also suggested that the two organizations had a fallout over the election. 2 more people were rushed to the hospital with significant injuries. Dheeraj Rajendran was a member of the Students' Federation of India. The principal of the college, Professor Jalaja, said the incident occurred outside the college gate of the main campus. The student who had lost his life was a 7th semester computer science stream, and we are told another student is also injured. A local village council member of Idukki, KG Satyan, said he was on his way to the village council when he was asked by students to take one student to the hospital who was badly injured. The badly injured Dheeraj, according to the doctors, had suffered deep injury on his chest, said Satyan, who also pointed out that Dheeraj was attacked by a youth congress worker who does not have a good credibility and is not a student. The funeral will be held on 8 cent of land bought by the CPM near Dheeraj's house in Trichamparam, Kannur. A monument dedicated to Dheeraj will be erected at this place. The body will be brought to Kannur at 5 p.m. There will be a morning procession with a bike rally from the district boundary and public viewing at Talasheri, Kannur, Taliparamba and Taliparamba residence. Police will tighten security along the morning route. The CPM called a hartal in Taliparamba after 4 p.m. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.